kahle kahle nikiwe mina ngithwele maybe senginabuma 8 years nga-heavy sex like straight mina.
So akusuwe or heavy sex, it's lento leyo uthi it comes
ukuthi ikwazi ukuba namandla.
So ngilo ngidla le mali kanti le mali ibuye izodla mina futhi idla abantwana bami. Ngilala nenyoka Tumelo but bengazi ukuthi ngazifike la ekuthwaleni. This is deep.
Hey yo, it's your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship, brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, Mphethe uTumelo bringing Unikiwe. Let's get into it.
Sanibonani guys, igama lami uTumelo, ngizelana to save our relationship because of ngifuna ukuexplainela umfazi wami ngisithwalo lesinye ngasithatha lesi esimosha i-relationship yethu. Yabo, ngizelana because of ngifuna ukuthi i-relationship yethu ilunye. Naye understand ukuthi lesithwalo lesi ngisithathile ngimexplainele ukuthi why ngisithathile.
Hey yo, with your boy Am. It is what it is before it was what it was. As I said, Tumelo no Nikiwe on today's episode. This is Save My Relationship, brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All right, Tumelo?
All right.
Okay, sure. And then Nikiwe, right? Appeal. Okay, this is Save My Relationship. Angazi if you guys discussed ukuthi nizala kule show yethu.
No, we didn't discuss, but I know the show.
Oh, you know the show. Okay, do you know why you came to our show?
Yes. Slow sibhekana nenkinga ku-relationship, so sidinga usizo.
Oh, okay. Inkinga ezinjani enisifisayo?
Angikwazi ukutholela umyeni wami abantwana, so
oh, that's the problem you guys are facing.
Yeah, sesina
So-
5 years together kodwa angikwazi ukumtholela abantwana.
No, okay. So, okay, you guys, you spoke about it. Ukuthi nize la ku show and discuss inkinga yenu yokuthola abantwana, or it's just you are guessing?
I'm guessing because I know the show, but ukuthi kanjani angazi because him onenkinga yokumtholela abantwana angikwazi ukumtholela abantwana, so I guess we're just trying to save our relationship.
No, your relationship is fading out.
Yeah, ngenxa yabantwana nje.
So you think uzokushiya noma uyakushiya?
Angikwazi ukumtholela abanye abantwana. Angikwazi ukuthola abantwana. So I think wonke umuntu wesilisa uyafuna ukuba nomntwana.
No, okay. I think it's almost aligned to those to that situation. So umuntu wakho uzokutshela ukuthi ukuletheleni la show and then we'll take it from there. Dumi, you ungamchazela ukuthi umletheleni ku show?
Ngamchazela kodwa ngimlethe kule show.
Yeah, ungamchazela. You can speak to her. Like lento kade sikhuluma.
Nikiwe ngilethe kule show msithandwa sami because of bengifuna ukuexplainela ukuthi why singathula abantwana. Kahle nikiwe mina ngithwele. Isithwalo sami yiso singenza ukuthi like singathula abantwana because of ngifuna imali yokuimpress. Yabo, like nami ngifuna imali side namanitsi wami. Yabo, and ngithwele before mina nawe sihlanga. So cela like understand ukuthi why singathula abantwana. Ngithwele mina Nikiwe ene anyeke ngizenze next ngoba mawulala nami awulali nami. Kunenyoka elala nawe. Wena ubona ngathi ulala nami.
Hayi Tumelo. Ngazongihlolela so mina all along ngilala nenyoka angilali nomuntu wami.
Into engitshela yona like that's why ngikulethelana ngizokuexplainela better ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba nami Nikiwe ngiyakuthanda and angifuni ukuthi sihlukane. Ngilethe kule show because of ngifuna ukuthi protect relationship yethu sibuyise understand ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ngi-understand kanjani Tumelo wazi kahle ukuthi ngilo ngifuna abantwana and uyangiyeka ngifeel bad ngokuthi angikwazi ukukuzalela abantwana awungitsheli.
Mara all along Nikiwe le mali lebesidla sonke ile mali le yesithwalo. Le mali ngakuthatha ngayo ngakuyise eDubai ile mali yesithwalo and uyazi na ukuthi angisebenzi imali ngithathaphi.
So imali seyangena vele?
Imali yangena.
Manje yini kwenza ukuthi okay uzoconfessa le mfihlo engaka?
Because of nami ngiyabona ukuthi Nikiwe like ukhathazekile ufuna abantwana and no nami angazi ukuthi ngayenzani ukuthi ngamchazisela So I better come here ukuthi ngizom-explainela better ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi singatholi abantwana.
So manje awusasifuni isithwalo sakho?
Isithwalo sami into engiphila ngayo, into engiphilisayo.
So mina ngeke ngibe nabantwana for impilo yami yonke.
So adopt abantwana.
Angimfuni adoptiwe, ngifuna igazi lami Tumelo. Ngifuna igazi lami nami ngibone ingane ifana nami. So ngizoyenza kanjani?
Isithwalo ngisithathile na ukuthi ngingabuyela emuva ngesireverse.
So manje kuzumtshele no, don't you think angeke isasebenze lento leyo ngoba idinga ukuthi ibe yi-secret. Mawunesithwalo akumelanga lo muntu ozwana naye noma lo muntu emdlala lento le.
Ukuthi
ayazi
mina ngikhathele.
Ukhathela awusayifuni into
impilo leyo ukuthi like ngimfihlele umfazi wami ngikhathele inkampani ngaphuma clean I understand naye ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yami ukuthi ngakwazi ukuthola abantwana.
Manje lesithwalo lesingasasebenzi ke ngoba so yas expose isithwalo sakhona.
Isithwalo lesi mangathi ngiyasiyeka anyeke abe right empilweni.
Naye
Uzoba umuntu
affect.
Izom-affect.
Ngizoba umuntu kuphela. Shukuthi angisaphili mina angisenaso isidingo sokuphila ngenxa yakho Tumelo. So sonke lesikhathi after 5 years ngiloko ngiyamitha abantwana bayaphuma uthulile uyangibheka ngisendlungwini wena uyathula. Ukuthando lolo Tumelo.
Akusuthando but nami darling ngiyakuthanda and ayikho into engingayenza ukutshela and futhi
ungithanda kanjani ungibona ngimitha ingane ziphuma Tumelo.
into engisaba ukutshela leyo ngisaba ukutshela yona ukuthini mina nawe
but uzungilethe la phambi kwabantu bazongibheka kanjani abantu
Tumelo.
Tumelo
Ayikho enye indlela ukuthi ngakutshela yona ngiyakuthanda nikiwe.
Yini ekwenza uthathe lento le imali nje kuphela noma umuntu okuphushele
Imali ngomuntu futhi onamabhizinisi. So ibusiness yami ifuna isithwalo ukuthi ihambe kahle.
ekudala sizizwa kudala sizibona le ayidlulele.
So wena Tumelo awufuni
Umntana mina sengi-admithile ukuthi umntana angimfuni but mina esayidini lami ngicabanga ukuthi for ukuthi yena abe happy. How about adopt abantwana laba banile abazali?
Wena ngisho esayidini lakho awufuni umntana ongowakho?
Ongwami angeke ngisamthola because lesithwalo lesi sesingene.
Bathi angeke umthole at all angeke usaphinde umthole.
Ngisamthola umntana.
So uya accept lento yakhona ukuthi umntana wena angeke usabe naye?
Ngiya-admit kodwa angeke ngisamthola.
Uya accept kini babiza mina inyumba babiza wena babiza mina ngenyumba ukuthi mina ngidla abantwana kanti uwodla abantwana sonke lesikhathi.
Darling bheka.
Ungathi darling. Mina all along lo ngiyathuka abo aunt bakhe bangashadanga bazothuka mina bathi mina ngidla abantwana bami kanti wena uthulile ujabulile.
Hayi ukuthi nami ngiyazenza nikiwe ngiyakuthanda nikiwe like angifuni ukuthi i-relationship yethu imosheke la ngifuna ukuza nge-solution ukuthi silungise umjolo wethu i-relationship yethu ngoba manje sekuyiminyaka sithandana and mina akukho simple ukuthi ngikuyeke.
Yeka lento yakho ke then maybe ngingakumithela.
Angeke ngikhone ukungitholela abantwana ngenile.
Yo.
Bathe ayisariverseki into yakhona?
Ayisariverseki.
Noma uhamba nonikiwe khona?
Mayihamba nonikiwe kufana nokuthi ihamba nami sihamba si-3.
Nithwele noyi-3 kahle. Unikiwe angazi uthwele angazi?
Akatholanga unikiwe. Ngithwele mina lento le ihamba nami. Iyangivikela futhi ku-business yami ukuthi abanye abo-businessmen ama-competitor wami angaloni
clash.
So unikiwe mina ngimlethelana because of ngifuna ukuthi i-relationship yethu ibe right yabo ibe the way
ibe i-relationship
yamampela because ngiyamthanda and angikwazi ukustop ama-feelings wami for yena.
Awubona ukuthi mhlambe nizama ukuthola isolution ukuthi khona ukureverse lento le yesithwalo?
Ayikho isolution.
Into abakutshele yona lo muntu okuthwalise ngalento le?
Umuntu ongithwalisile.
Uyokutshela lento le ukuthi ayikho isolution?
Ayikho isolution.
3 3 times Tumelo ngiyamitha ngiyakumithela ungibhekile uyasho ukuthi ha silima lesi. Awungithandi mosweni.
Ngiyakuthanda baby.
So first time ummithela bese waluza umntwana wena bocabangani? Awukazi wacabanga ukuthi mhlambe
bengitshela ukuthi maybe ngiyaphuza kumele ngehlise kuphuzeni kwami. Maybe ngiyamisbehave or something of some sort. But bengazi ukuthi ngazifike la ekuthwaleni. This is deep.
So after you hear all of this into esho Tumelo, what do you think a relationship is about? Ngoba athi tholo sakhe was thola before niqala ukujola. So it's way back.
Oh, angisazi because ngiyamthanda uTumelo but ukuthi angangifihlela into engaka sigaxa. Yo, if bekuyimbe ngeke ngixolele for sure. Bozongixolela Tumelo.
Sho bangeka xolela.
Surely.
Why uthi if bekuwe bangeka xolela?
Ngoba phela ngumuntu wesifazane yonke into yenza umuntu wesifazane wrong. Yimi umthakathi kini.
Bathi umthakathi kuba.
Bangibiza ngomthakathi bathi ngidla abantwana. Angikwazi ukumzalela abantwana.
Bese noTumelo athina akaze akumele noma
Akangimeli nokungimela. Like angi-understand ukuthi umuntu wesilisa onjani. Ongiyeka ngihamba inhlungu ezibhlungu kanje kubo yo dala bangithuka. Hey inyumbu udla abantwana. Yeah.
So Tumelo yayizwe indaba yakasisi. Ukuthi wena bange umxolele if it was her doing the same thing that when you doing.
Mina ngabe angiphi imali yabo. Ngoba uthando namhlanje lefuna ukuthi uphuze isamento ucene senhliziyo yabo. Mina kahle unikiwe bengizomxolela if ngabe beke sibika adopt umntana yabo. Bengizomxolela because of mina esayidini lami ngifuna like i-distraction yomntana noma ngaba umntana omuphi odinga abazali. Bengizomxolela mina bengizokhohlwa nokukhohlwa because of ithando namhlanje lifuna imali.
Okay, so wena isithwalo lesi ukuthi wena ufuna imali ukuthi ube emathandweni nomuntu wakho.
Yeah, into enginidayo mina nginida imali ukuthi naye ngimthathe ngimkhiphe out abe happy. Into engiyifunayo like abe nesmile ebusweni bakhe.
So uthi wena mawulala naye akusiwolala naye. What takes over?
Inyoka.
Ha! Ngilala nenyoka Tumelo. Msabe mfana ngabathakathi umthakathi futhi wena uyathakatha strong.
So wena ugcineni ngoheavy sex, the normal sex like normal people do.
Yo, angithatha isikhathi esiningi yo. Maybe senginabuma 8 years nga heavy sex like straight mina.
So akusuwe or heavy sex, it's lento leyo uthi it comes.
Yeah, ukuthi ikwazi kuba namandla.
So ngilungimithela bani mina? Ngilungimithela bani inyoka noma wena? Pendula.
Akaze wayicabanga vele ukuthi okay umithela bani?
Ngingayicabanga mara mara business lami yilo ngelicabangayo kudlula yena.
Ithi lento le ifuna abantwana abayongaki kuze ibe namandla amakhulu.
Kudependa ngokuthi umithe kangakanani. Kayingaki.
Bona abakutshelanga ukuthi wamela amithe kayingaki. Ngoba ngiyezwa unikiwe ungitshela ukuthi uye wamitha ka 3.
Umithe ka 3. Yabo, that's why business lami likhula kahle because of makaqala amitha kuba ne something evelayo.
So it's her falling pregnant that gives power.
In 30 years straight. And then mina ngizelana because of ngifuna solution like ekumtshela ngumchazisela ngoba unikiwe ingcondo yami uyo umuntu olayitha ingcondo yami straight yabo manje angazi ukuthi mangangishiya ngizobe ngiyilutho phandle kwakhe.
Kusho ukuthi naye she plays part in the growth of business yakho.
Yeah, yena like
she's the brains angithi.
Yena uyangimotivate lapho nalapho yabo ukuthi ngiphushe business yami but mina kahle business yami imisa iyenza ilesithwalo lesi ukuthi ibe namandla.
kusho ukuthi kahle kahle nami ngiyathakatha phakathi ngoba phela yimi omithaya ngithi ngimithaya leyo nto yakho awunanhliziyo Dumelo
hayi ukuthi ngiyathakatha hayi ukuthi ngiyathakatha neliwe ukuthi nami ngifuna like ukwenza happy yabo like ngifuna ukuyenza happy ngikwazi ukuspendela yabo because of nami nginokuzibuza ukuthi umfazi wami ifanyimenzela uzoyenzela ubani
so ngilongidla le mali kanti le mali ibuye izodla mina futhi labantwana bami
abakutshelanga ukuthi labantwana baya kuphi
abakutshelanga
awukaze uzibuze ukuthi okay baya kuphi labantwana
mina lewe ngibona ngakhona labantwana laba iba ngathi badliwa inyoka
inyoka hayi bese uthatha ukuthakathi lo Dumelo dlulele phela la hayi sengidlulele
hayi ukuthi ngiyazenza nami ukuthi ngokulethelana because of ngifuna isolution sithandwa sami and ngizimisele ngawe ngiyakuthanda neliwe yabo lento ngiyenze before sithandana and bekunzima ngikutshele before sizothandana ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yami
mara waqhubeka sonke lesikhathi sekuze kuyodlula 5 years manje silokhu sit together but awungitsheli
bengizobona ngenze kanjani phela wena uyingcondo yami ngihlezi ngicabanga wena enhlizweni yami without wena ngizoba yini
Dumelo bakhona abomageza bongasebenza eShoprite or ePick n Pay or somewhere wakhetha lokho kuphela bekuyi-option leyo kuphela
ayindaba mina ngifuna easy come yabo mina ngokapati yabona ngicwe kanjani like ngifuna easy life yabo lento lezi ukuthi ini mageza
mina ngifuna ukusebenza nzima
yeah like mina iphupho lami kahle bengifuna ukwenza business management yabo manje abazali ekhaya kade banganamali ukuthi bangisevarsity ngabona kahle ukuthi ngizinikele esithwaleni ukuthi mina ngizoba right empilweni
hayi izikhamu izigo kuyabonakala ngoba mina ngilongithi ngizokuthola abantwana ngiziblame mina ngi-undergo i-depression ngenxa yakho uthulile all along and uhlala ungekho endlini uhlala kwi-business lelo lakho mara uthi ufuna ukujabulisa mina
angithi ngiyi-breadwinner sithandwa sami
breadwinner so leyo bread ngiyidle ngiyi-1
ngizoyenza kanjani sithandwa sami fanele ube happy nawe fanele ngikuthengele ama-frontal ubukeke darling
frontal Dumelo imali it's not everything Dumza yazi ngithanda kanjani awe
mara imali ithenga izinto ezicontain uthando
so wena uthando lwakho yimali
ithando lanamhlanje imali sithandwa sami
lwakho hayi lwanamhlanje
so Dumelo don't you think like you should give away imali for uthando lakhe
like kwamanje ngibonile like amanye izinto engizithathile like ama-decisions abo engiyenzile because of nami bengifuna kuba right empilweni yabo and nonyasola ngento engiyenzile ngoba nami yangikhathaza emoyeni
yakhathaza emoyeni don't you guys maybe think about going to church abona ukuthi like nizama ukulungisa lento le since you came clean now you understand and achakuthanda umuntu wakho I think the only way is you guys to look for solution ukuthi okay nikhona ukuphuma kule nto le ngoba there's always a way out lento bakutshela ukuthi there's no way out it's ukuthi lo muntu akhona naye ayifide lento le yangithola there should be a way out there's abantu abanganisiza like abanganithandazela ukuthi nikhona ukulungisa lento le yangazi ukuthi abanganikiwe
ngicela basisize because ngiyamthanda umuntu wami
uyamthanda umuntu wakho what if lento le mase isukile mhlambe it's what you loved kuye ngoba lo muntu lo uze kuye athwele awu icabanga le
no angicabangi because most of the time angimceli nokumcela imali he just provides
so manje after you guys get usizo like out there and then abe broke will you still love him
yeah I think singayenza plan
so now you don't believe that love is money
not everything is about money guys we do need money but akuthi uzube desperate ngaleyo ndlela no guys
so Dumelo ucabanga with i-solution enginisuggestela yona ukuthi like nithola usizo
mina i-solution yami ngoba umuntu wami nami ngiyamthanda yabo angifuni ukuhlukana naye i-soulmate yami neliwe yabo manje into engicabangayo ngicabanga ukuthi ngizinikele enkosini noma ngaba broke kangakanani as long mina ngizomfida ithando lwami yabo.
So uyayithatha the solution lokuthi you give away everything that you did.
Yeah, I give away. Kahle ngiyayeka ngifuna ukuyeka ngalento leyo kuthwala. That's why ngizelana. Ngizwe ukuthi yena maybe ungangiphi solution e better. So today ngizwe the solution e better. Fanele ngizinikele enkosini. Yabo, ngikhohle yonke lento yokuthwala ngoba imosha umndini.
Oh, okay. So ekhaya bangazi ukuthi uthwele.
Ekhaya kade bangazi ukuthi ngithwele.
Akunamuntu waziyo.
Akekho umuntu aziyo.
Okay, so unikiwe she's the first to hear about this.
Yeah, umuntu okuqala vele oyazi ukuthi vele ngithwele.
So are you gonna assist ukuthi nikhona ukusuka kulento le? Ngoba you are part of it now.
Please.
Whether you like it or not, yabona as asho ukuthi beyangalali nawe, molala nenye into.
Sizeni guys, please.
So I guess the best way is for you guys to seek in the Lord, Yangtol.
So awusabi ukuthi ama-business azowa ngokuthi uyayeka lento yakho.
For wena sithandwa sami ngayenza everything as long uthando lami nawo ngeke liphele.
Nokuthi ube broke because sojwayele ukubamba iy'mali ezi-serious.
Ngizobona ukuthi ngiphanda kanjani. Ezungitshelile ukuthi ngiphande as a street vendor nami ngizobona ukuthi ngihlanganisa kanjani.
As long as singeke silale singadlanga.
Awungawazi sithandwa sami ngizophanda for wena everything for you. Each and every trouble they engayifacea for wena I'll go for it.
So right.
Ngoba nje ngiyamthanda, I'll try to be right but yo guys, cela iyeke lento yakhe please because angiboni ukuthi ngisazokhona ukuthi ngimithe futhi sengizosaba mos kumitha.
Kwamanje you guys just have to fix it. Ningazama ukwenza umntwana yabo. Try to get usizo and then you take it from there.
Siyacela usizo because angizi-imagine ngilala nenyoka.
Tumelo uright angithi ngale solution esicabangile.
Yeah, a solution yona yiyo sharp. Nami ngicabanga ukuchange yabo like I want to be born again. Ngizinikeze enkosini. Ngikhohle lesithwalo lesi ngoba nami sangikhathaza esimoyeni yabo angisabi yimi sengiba inyoka. Sinini ngiyaphenduka ngiba inyoka. Sinini ngiyabuya ngiba sharp. Manje leyo mpilo ayikho sharp for me.
Uba nini inyoka Tumelo? Uba inyoka nini? Ngoba mina phela ngikazi ngakubona uba inyoka.
Angithi usho makalala nawe akusuyo lala nawe.
Yeah,
Inyoka. So I think he's trying to refer to that part when you guys are having sex. Akusuye ile nyoka leya.
Sure.
Bayachangisana. Yena is seducing you bese inyoka ilala nawe. But I guess that's the best solution to seek for help.
Yeah, I think church is the best option.
So ivala lapho guys angithi. It is what it is before it was what it was. It's your boy M signing out and this is Save My Relationship. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We out.